how to share or send pictures and videos or files to iPhone from your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on connected devices. After that, tap on quick share. In quick share, we then scroll down and then we tap on share with output devices. Tap on the toggle button here and make sure it is turned on. Okay, once it is turned on the iPhone, you need to make sure that you are also turning on AirDrop. On the home screen, we go into settings. In settings, tap on general, tap on AirDrop. Then make sure you select everyone for 10 minutes. So allow AirDrop to be transfer files for 10 minutes. Alright, after that we go back to the Samsung phone and open up the gallery. So here, select pictures or videos that you want to share. And then tap on share button down here and then choose quick share. Now you'll be able to see it shows iPhone and then tap on the name of the iPhone that you want to share it with. Over here it shows do you want to accept the pictures sending over. So tap on accept. And you can see on the status bar here it is now downloading the share files. Okay, over here it's also showing the indicator that it has successfully sent. Then over here we can tap on it to view the pictures. And that's it. These are the pictures. And that's how you can share or send files from your Galaxy S26 to the iPhone without any third-party app. And another thing to be aware is that make sure both devices are connecting to the same Wi-Fi and both devices have Bluetooth turned on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.